What's up, guys? My name is 𝗧𝒢𝗄𝒧𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we are dematting Jewel. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you slap that button right there and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We're everywhere. Leda Fazal, Tone Hair Salon. My girls.
Had this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's 𝗧𝒢𝗄𝒧𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's 𝗧𝒢𝒄𝒧𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Had this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's 𝗧𝒢𝒄𝒧𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
Guys, 8 hours later, you are fully dematted. How do you
I
feel?
feel wonderful. I can't express it enough. It's such a difference. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome. And can we see the back? Look, you guys remember what she looked like? She had her hair, it was all matted. Again, this was 8 hours with 3 to 4 hairstylists and a whole team. It takes a village, literally. And she is fully dematted. She is gonna get a little trim at some point, right? And she didn't want to put any heat on her hair. So we did not straighten it, and I think that's, you know, we have to respect what the client wants. So sometimes people are like, oh, I wanted to see a straight. Well, you know what? No. We're gonna respect her decision and keep her hair healthy, and that's what's most important, okay? Hair health.
Thank you so much.
Oh, girlfriend! Yay! We did it! We did it!
You're welcome.
And you guys, huge shout out to Mango Mint, okay? This was literally all possible because of Mango Mint and their big hearts. They did their initiative of the Do Something Beautiful, and we did something beautiful.
Yeah. This was beautiful. So much.
Yeah.
Thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you. And listen, I will see you again, but for a different service.
Yeah.
Love that.
That's what we love to hear.
All right, let's go home.
You have to do a hands-in type thing.